And we're back, and you're still with yung Manong June Seriales.
And John Mark Pastor.
Dito lang nga po, KPRP Pinoy Power Radio 650 AM Honolulu, Hawaii, broadcasting statewide. With our program entitled
Adda kaming Karruba.
Woy, Diyos ko medyo naudi ka ba nga si mong babalong. Kat dato hindi maudi nga paset. Kat kung ako, dagiti kang ganata po nga musika. Nga nang adamo na itad na iti kultura ti Pilipino. Siyempre, dagiti nilabag na kat hanlang mga pang foreigner nga kunada. Mabalimot iti Pilipino, mabalimot iti Ilocano dagito ita. Inayayat tayo mo dagito nga sonsonata. Hangka de. Oreno mo dito, oreno mo dito nga sonata.
Kapanawan na gito eh.
Panawin ko dito eh. Panawin mi, kadaman ng Emi. Kat ulit kami tagyaman, kadikiti sponsors mi apo, Maria Hernandez Braceros,
George Bersoza and Carlota Ader,
Dado and Angel Lamog,
Ben and Ana Puya,
Tito Mahal John Anderson,
Ma'am Janelle Megan, ay ate Janelle Megan Anderson.
Sigurado nga ate, baka lalaki kang mangisuna.
Mali, ate siguro.
Okay, and of course, our producer, Manang Emmy Ortega Anderson. And once again, for those who want to participate apo and join our sponsor, join our sponsors in giving us something, you know. Ayan, tapno agtultuloy apo ti programa. Please get in touch with Manang Emmy. Ayan, dawatin mi apo dagita agsobra nga blessings yung burayo kumakada kami tapno Adamo, igatang may iti silsilaw dito ito ano nalawag o no baterya ti microphone, something like that. Not too much, just enough. Okay, may sanga sonatang rat apo nga nagustuhan dagiti naganak ko idi kan dagiti kakabsat ko. Iso nga ko nga may lata ti tradisyon dito weno kultura ti Ilocano dito nga sonata. May sanga oldies but goodies naipas nga idi 60 dekada 60 mo nata. Once there were green fields kissed by the sun. Once there were valleys where river used to run. Once there were blue skies with white clouds high above. Once there were part of an everlasting love. We were the lovers who strolled through green fields. Green fields are gone now, parched by the sun, gone from the valley where river used to run, gone with the cold wind that swept into my heart, gone with the lovers who let their dreams depart. Where are the green fields that we used to roam? I'll never know what made you run away. How can I keep searching when dark clouds hide the day? I only know there's nothing here for me, nothing in this wide world left for me to see. I'll keep on waiting till you return. I'll keep on waiting until the day you learn. You can be happy while your heart's on the road. You can be happy until you bring it home. Home to the green fields and me once again.
Look at us after all these years together. Look at us
the road that we've been through. Look at us, still leaning on each other. If you wanna see how true love could be, then just look at us.
Look at you, still pretty as a picture. Look at me, still crazy over you. Look at us, still believing in forever. If you wanna see how true love should be, then just look at us.
In 100 years from now, I know without a doubt, they'll all look back and wonder how we made it all work out.
Chances are we'll go down in history when they wanna see how true love should be. They'll just look at us. Chances are we'll go down in history when they wanna see how true love should be. They'll just look at us. When they wanna see how true love should be, then just look at us. May Isabela bunga sonata from Tom Jones.
Okay.
Engelbert style.
Oh, Engelbert. Hamburgic style.
The old hometown looks the same as I stepped down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and papa. Tom Jones. Down the road I looked, and there was Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to see me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, although the paint has cracked and dry. And there's the old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I'll awake and look around me at four gray walls that surrounds me, and I realize, yes, I was only dreaming. And there's a card, and there's a sad old padre. Arm in arm, we'll walk like daybreak. Again, I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me in the shade of the old oak tree, as the lane beneath the green, green grass of home. Ngarod Karruba, uri na pagbiitlaang kat napaisim da kayo, napasala da kayo, napapagkaak da kayo. Iti uri may salaang oras apo nga programa iti 4 decade duwa nga napolwan.
Adda kamin Karruba.
Wen, ket adda kamin tumanan next week, the same time, the same frequency, dito lang nga po.
KPRP Pinoy Power Radio. 6:50 AM, Honolulu, Hawaii.
So that's it, and goodbye, and God bless everyone.